In this video, we are going to share with you a few tips, tricks to get more leads for your business or with your agency. Stay tuned. At the end of the video, we are going to share a trick that makes chat forms a bit more personalized, a bit more human. So stay tuned and watch the full video. Thank you. Hey, I'm Cesar. Today I want to, to share with you, to talk with you about what is the best way to get leads. This is a landing page you can create with our tool. I mean, looks very nice. It's called, this is the template, it's clean too, and this is the widget we create for this, for this doctor, for this, therapy, for this cabinet. This is something you can do for any of your clients. You may have a doctor, you may have a dental practice, you may have an optician, you may have some, beauty treatment, and this is nice. This is a beautiful landing page, with the information about the doctor, the contact information, about us section, the QR code, and this is the widget, to get the leads. And the question is, okay, what is the best option? How can I get the more leads for this business? How can I get more clients into this practice? Obviously, option number one is the shorter the form, the better. The less questions you have, the better. In this case, we have, back pain, knee pain. Let's say this is a doctor with, 2 options, maybe 3 options, maybe 4 options, but you can do something really, short. Then email, WhatsApp number. That's it. That's the information we need to get a lead, to start a conversation, and to send, the enhanced conversations to Google, to Google Ads. If you are running Google Ads, you need at least, these 2 fields to get an enhanced conversion. And this can be the first option for you to get the leads. Let's go to the form and let's see what options do we have here. One option is to activate chat form. The chat form makes the widget instead of a form becomes like a conversation. I want more information, back pain, and then email. I put my email here, and then I ask for the phone number. Okay, so this is more like a conversational style, but obviously we need to change the labels. We need to change the questions so becomes clear. Like how can I help you? In this case, if we want to make a conversation, we need to do things more like this. How can I help you? Back pain, knee pain. Then and you give me your email. Finally, your WhatsApp number. Okay, this now makes more sense. How can I help you? Back pain, and then can you give me your email? No, the form becomes the conversation and it's more natural for the user. This is an option for you to choose. I mean, you can activate, deactivate the chat form anytime. Okay, this is something you can do anytime. So how can I help you? Yes, back pain, knee pain, email, and then WhatsApp number. Then obviously, if you want more leads, you can add, like a lead magnet. You can add something that is let's say it's for free because you fill up the form. Let's say you have a campaign. The campaign is for people with pain, and you can add something that is more interesting for those users. I mean, like, hey, let's start a conversation about your pain. Let's talk about what's happening to you. So this is something we can add here. We can add something like a help text. Like we are going to give you some type of, I don't know, tutorial, PDF, something like you contact me, but also I'm going to give you like a free guide, a free tutorial, a free something. I mean, people love free stuff, so it's never bad to have something like that. How we do that? How we add a free PDF to this form? Let's go to the agent profile. In the default message, we can say something like, download here your PDF guide for back pain. I don't know if it's correct, but just stay with me. So I'm going to add the PDF. This one is okay. I mean, it's just an example. It's just for you to know this is something we can add here. And I'm also going to add an email notification, so I know new customer from WhatsApp lead. This is going to generate an email to me once someone fill up the form. Okay, so now we have everything. We have a call to action, the form, and the button that triggers lead, email, lead magnet. Okay, these 3 things are going to be triggered with 1 click. The customer is going to go to our website. Okay, he's going to fill up the information, and everything is going to happen. I have an email, I have a WhatsApp message, and the customer has the link to the PDF. The PDF is here, so they can download that PDF, to their computer, phone, anything like that. So this is how this works. Beautiful landing page, beautiful form, free stuff always, and you can choose the design of the form. You want to have a form like this one, or you may want to have a chat form that is more like a conversation. And this text, so you can see how this works. The text, the help text becomes part of the chat form. Okay, Dr. Smith, I'm here to help you. Looks like someone is talking to me. Okay, so looks like someone is chatting with me. And there is something nice in the chat form that I want to show you. Can you tell me your name? We can do something like this. Text, first name. Okay. I mean, this is a nice feature that is here. Sorry, I'm going to put it here. Okay, help text. Can you tell me your name first? Can you tell me your name? Okay, and here we can say thank you. I think it's like that. Is field number two. Field number 2. I'm going to put it here, so it becomes part of the answer. It becomes part of the of the following question. If I say Cesar, this is going to say thank you, Cesar. Choose how can I help you? Back pain, knee pain. So becomes more natural, becomes more friendly, becomes more, I think, interesting, for the user. So as you can see, I'm here to help you. First, can you tell me your name? Say put Maria, well, Martia, and it's thank you, Martia. Choose how can I help you? Okay. So this form starts to become, more friendly, more useful, more interesting for the user, and I think it's going to help you get more leads for this business. No, and the same. This is something you can share in Google My Business, Instagram, TikTok, landing page, anywhere. I mean, this is something you can share in your email signature. You can take this link and you can put it in your email signature. You can put a QR code. This QR code can be in your shop, in your window. I mean, you can create a banner, and you can put it in your shop so people can click and go to your form. So this is the idea is to help you as much as possible with unlimited leads, unlimited landing pages, unlimited widgets, unlimited everything for 5 per month. The idea is to give you the best deal possible. If you are an agency, fine. If you are a business owner, fantastic. If you help other businesses, getting leads, with campaigns, I think we give you a very good tool, a very good CRM that you can share with your clients, you can share with your customers so they can, check how their campaigns are going, how many leads they have, everything, in one easy to use environment. So, this is part of what we do. And I hope you like this trick for your forms so you can make them more personalized and you can use replies in the question so the conversation becomes more natural. So, well, hope you like it. This is for you and we are here to help you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.